Hey class, how are you doing today? Let's see here. My name is Omar Soto. I'm 44 years old and I live in Oxnard, California. And I'm attending the University of Laverne's campus here in Oxnard. Now, these photos are not in any specific order. They're just some of them that I did find. I have a stack of photos that don't have anywhere to go, so I thought these would be the best ones. The earlier photos are of me and my brother and my mother. Growing up here in Oxnard, the early to late 70s was awesome. Let's see here. I am now a stepdad of two. That's my uncle. He's the one who's taken me on extensive trips. I enjoy traveling, hiking, the surfing. I enjoy hanging out at the beach in the RVs. My mother did pass away in March 1st, a couple months ago. It has been difficult, but at the same time, what she taught me has taken me this far. Having been raised by my mother, I've learned to just really take things for what they are, and it's important to be who you are and stay grounded. That's a trip to Alaska. We've been everywhere, and it seems to have worked out because mentally I am focused. I'm prepared to live my life now, and not in the shadow of all my other brothers. I have four brothers. They're all grown now. These are just old photos. Let's see here. I've been to Cambodia. I've been to Thailand. I've been to Alaska. I've been to Puerto Rico, Florida, you name it. I've been surfing all over the world. High school graduation was a big accomplishment for me. I was the first one to graduate high school, believe it or not, other than, of course, my parents. My uncle in the middle right there, he's the one that's taken me on all these trips. My great grandmother and my grandmother, love those ladies. They're not with us anymore. But like I said earlier, I am focused. I'm grounded. I enjoy education. I am in the single subject credential program for PE. I was doing elementary, third grade, and it just wasn't a good fit for me. It wasn't where I needed to be at that time. So now I'm focused on physical education, and I'm absolutely loving it. Let's see here. I'm not sure what else there is to say, but enjoy these photos, and I will talk to you guys soon. Let's see how many more. There's a couple more. Grand Canyons, um, Montana's. There's my university, Chico State, and graduated in 2006. I became a firefighter in 2007 for the county of Santa Barbara. There's my beautiful wife and my two stepsons who are now older. And there's my little baby boy. He's 4 years old now, and he is a terror. He keeps me so busy. Trip to Cambodia. So I like to get out and see things. It gives me a perspective on life and where I am in general. So hopefully you enjoyed my photos, and I'll be talking to you guys soon, like I said earlier. Let me figure out how to log out of here. And